Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2016 Honda CR-V EXL. This vehicle has 185 horsepower with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. You have the leather interior with the EXL, of course. Heated seats right there. You have the two screens, a bigger screen right here, and then you also have like a small screen over there. Backup camera. Pretty good resolution for a 2016 CR-V. I've seen some newer cars with resolution worse than that, so not bad at all. Pretty simple in here. You have your phone, Bluetooth settings, leather steering wheel, of course. And then if you hit this little icon button over there, you can change what you see up there: the fuel economy, time. You have fog lights as well. This vehicle has 75,000 miles on it. It's in pretty good condition. You have a CVT transmission in here as well. Here's a power outlet, sunroof. But yeah, this is just like a, family vehicle. Nothing special really about the CR-V other than the fact that it's a comfortable family vehicle. But that's what the point of it is. You have those daytime running lights. Those look pretty good. This one has roof rails on it. Alloy wheels, manual trunk. Here's your cargo space in the rear, and then you can also pull that cargo cover over your stuff if you don't want people looking at it. And here are your rear seats. But let's go for a drive in the CR-V, see what it's like. So the CR-V has always been a very popular product that Honda offers. They're reliable. Oh, I really like that feature. The Hondas don't have this anymore, but back in around this like 2010 to like 2018 or something like that, they had this camera show up when you put your right turn signal on, which is so useful. It sucks that they took it away. Like left turn signal doesn't do that, but right it does, which is super cool. I really wish they kept it. I don't know why they took it out. A lot of people, the thing is, a lot of people when they go look for Hondas from this time, they're like, does it have the turn signal camera? But unfortunately not all of them have it. And the newer ones don't have it, which sucks, because I love that feature. That's amazing that it has that. That's so helpful. You can see the curb, see your blind spot from the right. Pretty cool feature. So yeah, it accelerates, but that's about it. I mean, it's 185 horsepower CVT. This car is not going to be fast in any way, shape, or form, because that is not the point of it. It's just it's just literally meant to, be a family car. I mean, the seats are pretty comfortable. I mean, in this car, you're not gonna have any kind of fun when accelerating or anything like that. This is more so what matters in this car is the comfort and things like that. And it has what you need. It's got a backup camera. It does not have blind spot alert, but it does have a backup camera. Leather seats, which is nice. For bumper to bumper traffic, this will do more. This will get the job done. And it also gives good fuel economy too. I'm not sure what it was off the top of my head, but it is a 4-cylinder with 185 horsepower, so I'd assume it's pretty good. But the steering actually feels pretty nice. It's not numb. The steering is pretty connected to the road. It definitely feels nice, pretty heavy for just being a CR-V. I like that. I don't like when cars have really numb steering and it feels like you have no control of the vehicle. This car does not feel like that. It also has a sport mode, which probably is not going to do a whole lot in this, but I guess it'll just give you a little bit extra throttle response. And I have the heated seats on. They seem to be working pretty well. My whole back is very hot right now, so those work pretty well. But yeah, I mean, it's smooth. It's a pretty smooth ride. No complaints there. As I said, it's pretty comfortable. There's a good amount of wind noise but then again, this is not a luxury vehicle, so it's not going to have a lot of sound deadening. In a CRV, maybe an RDX would have more sound deadening, like a newer one. Yeah, honestly, but yeah, this is a good car. For what it is, it's a good car. I'm assuming the 0 to 60 would probably be in like the 8 or 9 second range. From what it looks like, might be wrong, but it's probably what it feels like. Yeah, visibility is good. And it is comfortable. You also have cruise control. And yeah. Overall, I mean, if you're just looking for like a car to get from point A to point B, which looks decent, has a good interior, you know, you just want to haul your kids around in, this is a good car for you. And you know, Hondas have good safety ratings, and you know, Hondas are reliable too, so this car would be reliable for you as well. This could definitely be a good car to consider, especially with like in like the 15 to 20k price point, or a little bit higher, but around that like 10 to 20k price point, you can get like a CRV. Say this is like an 8-year-old car now. Yeah, it'll probably be around the 20k range or 15 to 20k range. So pretty good value for a nice family car. If you want a bigger SUV from Honda, you got to go for the Pilot, or I think the Passport's bigger than this. Pretty sure it is. Or you can get an Odyssey. Before we conclude this video, let's just look around the infotainment a little more. So here's your trip computer. You can do voice info or something. Change your clock and wallpaper. I think you can upload a photo too, like if you use like the USB input, you can upload a photo from like your thumb drive or something like that. You have an econ mode. I'm pretty sure this car's gonna be pretty economical for the most part anyway, but if you want to have even better fuel economy and less like power being put down, you can use the econ mode. And also I like how when you press the button on the left, on the turn signal stalk on the left of it, it'll show you the camera. It's not going to show after a certain amount of speed, like I think 20 miles per hour or probably 15 miles per hour, but say if you're trying to park or you're gonna drive through, that camera will be really useful. And I'm saying the resolution is not bad at all for a 2016 CRV. Like I literally see newer cars these days with worse resolution than that. So this is not bad at all. I have no complaints on the resolution. But anyways, thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships to shop for all kinds of vehicles like this Honda CRV.